Welcome to another Joyride venture of the C10 build. If you're just joining us, we picked up a 1963 C10 from an estate sale that was left abandoned in a field. We got her started and driving kinda, then discovered a few issues. I've decided not to invest too much time in getting the inline 6 running and just go ahead and move on to swapping a V8 into it. In the previous video, we picked up our new engine, and here we are now, getting her all cleaned up and prep for the swap. Welcome to another Joyride video. If you've already caught the previous video, we picked up the 350. We got the transmission. What else did we do, bud?
We're going to put a new bed in there.
Oh, you want to put a new bed in the truck?
Yeah.
So right now we've been cleaning out the back of the truck, just trying to get everything ready. And we're gonna remove this wood. We discovered that this box that has been in here, I never really opened it. We found brand new rocker panels. Bed rails. Are we allowed to say your name in here since you're in the witness protection program? Okay. We got this thing actually working with some PB blaster. Yeah, this thing isn't in there very good.
Camera's facing you, okay, Dada?
Let's just unbolt this. That's how she looked. What, buddy?
I'm selling something.
What are you selling?
I'll show you. Selling a sender.
Really? Didn't you just pull that out of your Jeep in the last video, bud?
Yeah.
And you're already selling it? What? How come you're selling it?
I don't know.
You don't know. Burn it. So we got all that out. We can see everything a lot better. This is definitely gonna make installing the bags a lot easier. Laura will be excited about that.
Who? Oh, who's that? Laura.
So look who came over to visit us. It's our buddy Clay, but he didn't drive his C10, which I'm a little disappointed in that, but it's okay. We're gonna get him on one of the videos eventually. He's brought us a little something for the C10.
Got some
Look at that.
drop spindles.
Sweet. So this is gonna make the truck maybe sit a little bit lower when we bag it, right?
Yeah, it'll correct the angles on the control arms. So
Sweet.
like when you lay it out, it doesn't look like the wheels are broken. Got a bunch of other parts too.
Do
To
you?
get rid of. Yep.
Okay, we're gonna have to go over to your place maybe and check out your truck and then see what else you got. Because you did say you have a different fuel tank too,
Yeah.
but we gotta clean it out. You
Yep.
said it had diesel in it?
Yeah, I had diesel in it.
We gonna put these on?
We got to get ball joints and tie rods and.
I already got them.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I ordered a bunch of stuff from Rock Auto, but I haven't put those in the video. And then we got a few other parts that I've ordered that I haven't shared with you guys yet.
Rock Auto.
Dude, Rock Auto is
I
awesome.
was gonna make a joke, but it didn't happen.
Rock Auto bucks.
Everybody hypes about.
Yeah, that's the Mustang everybody hypes about. Take it you're not a Mustang fan?
No. Chevy only.
Dude, he's got to go for a ride in it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm prepping for these bags that we're gonna eventually do. Uh-oh. Upper and lower, I think, right?
Yeah, one's upper and one's lower.
Dude, here's our airbags. We got airbags.
I feel like I'm watching somebody's Christmas video.
Rock Auto Mag.
Shoot, let me see that thing real quick.
Oh, dude, does it stick?
Sweet.
No, we got a bunch more. I've been sticking all the magnets right here on the lift.
Ooh.
Yeah. Rock Auto magnets.
Yeah, we can do it across the roof. That'll be your headliner.
Sending out a request. Anybody have Rock Auto magnets? Send them to the P.O. box. It's in the description. It'd be like the refrigerator, man. Just start sticking stuff to them. I don't know, like, I see people doing the license plate thing. They've done them on the floor.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Yeah.
Man.
Not a fan?
No.
I think it's played out.
Yep.
We're gonna steal stop signs and street signs. Clay, he had to head out. He had dinner reservations that he had to get to. Tom just showed up. He drove the Chevy Tom truck. Dude, I just love the square body Chevys. But this one's gonna be even better when it's done. I was just talking to Clay. When we do bag it, we may even C-notch it a little bit too. I want your thoughts too. I was thinking about taking and short bedding it, cutting it, and making it a short bed, or should we leave it a long bed? Tom was telling me that everyone short beds them, leave it long bed, be different. So I'm kind of on the edge if I should make it a short bed, because the short beds, I think they look a little better. And then here's the other thing that I was thinking of too. This hoist, should we put it back in the truck? Because I do want to keep it the rat rod theme. Should we put it back in here once we do get everything done? Should we put the hoist back? Overall, this frame is not even bad. So we're gonna pick this video back up tomorrow, and we're gonna try to get the engine onto the engine stand and try to start cleaning it up. Are you gonna be here tomorrow?
I should be, maybe.
You should be. All right. Check back in tomorrow. All right, so we're picking up Next day, we're gonna take the engine, mount it onto here. We had to run over to good old Lowe's and grab some bolts. And then what do you think? Take it outside, try to clean her up, spray her down.
Yeah, give it a little cleaning.
Cleaning up and taking some bolts off, labeling some bags. So we're gonna, got more bags, Sharpie. Keep everything as organized as possible, right?
As possible, yeah.
Organization is gonna be the key on this because it's pretty much gonna make our lives so much simpler when it goes to putting this thing back together.
Absolutely. We're still not gonna know what we're doing.
Oh, we're never gonna know what we're doing. We got her mounted, Tom. What do you think? Now the ultimate truth is once we lower this, hold the engine just in case it falls.
I got it. I got
All
it.
right.
Wait, hold on. Let me hold on to the bottom so I don't hit the oil pan. Yeah, I'll take that. Eat that.
I think we're ready to roll the engine out and get her cleaned up. We got her all taped up, kind of close up all the ports. Make sure we don't get any water in there or degreaser. I'm gonna have to show you. I got my own cleaning product out now. I don't think I've showed anybody that.
No.
Tom just learned about that today. Show him the Joyride cleaning product. So unfortunately, the bad news about the Joyride cleaning product is you guys can't get any of this stuff, but I've got my own degreaser. Joyride Purple Grape Cleaner. Kind of like Purple Power, but it's better. Just like Purple Power, but it is definitely not Purple Power because I do not own any Purple Power and I would not ever use that stuff. But this is the Joyride Purple Grape Cleaner. It's good for degreaser and cleaning on the engine. We're gonna go ahead and degrease this engine and see what we got. All set up. You're gonna first, why are you backing up? I don't even have a water hose. Pressure washer all set up. We got the Joyride Purple Grape Cleaner right here. You can take the honors being the first one to use my product. Are you gonna review it?
I guess so.
Laura's gonna spray it down with the Joyride Purple Grape Cleaner. Then we're gonna have little man. He's gonna do the pressure washing. Are you gonna do pressure washing duties? You got your boots on. We put down this plastic just to kind of for driveway because Laura's just been giving me crap because I've been making a mess on our driveway lately.
Gas, transmission fluid, coolant, just spray it.
Yeah, just spray it. Just spray where anywhere. Oh my gosh, hold on. We gotta add
Pour review.
pour review. It's because it's a brand new bottle, babe. Hold on, hold on. There we go. There. Should be better now.
All right, take two.
Take two. Well, should I edit that part out or no? There you go.
That's an honest man review right there.
Yeah, good clean
Yeah,
headers.
you need a new
Yeah,
bottle.
I need a new bottle.
I don't like it.
All right, I'll have to talk.
Getting my fingers wet with degreaser.
All right, well, I would wash them then. So, you're supposed to wear gloves. You didn't read the instructions on the back? Oh, give me the marker real quick. I need a marker.
Sure.
Thanks, Eugene.
Now we're gonna let the degreaser just set for a while, let it kind of work, do its thing. Then we're gonna let little man spray it off with the pressure washer. You excited about that? That thing is pretty cool. It looks pretty crazy, bud. Are you ready to spray this engine?
Yeah.
Well, we wouldn't recommend using the Joyride degreaser at all.
Greaser doesn't
Wait, what? What'd you say about my degreaser?
Doesn't work very well.
Well, little man is calling me out. But that engine's got over 50 years of grime just built up throughout the years. It's gonna take a lot of elbow grease and a lot of work getting all of that off there. So I'm gonna try a few more methods. And once we figure out what actually worked the best, I made a post on Instagram about which product people recommend to clean the engine, and a few people said some interesting things. Someone said oven cleaner, so we're gonna try oven cleaner. Obviously, brake cleaner works pretty good, and we're gonna try a few other things because the
What's oven cleaner?
I think that's something that mommy doesn't use.
Okay, wanna see the engine?
You show them the engine, buddy.
This is the engine.
You can see right there, it got a little bit off. You're starting to see a little bit of orange come out on it. If you made it this far in the video, give it a thumbs up, show it some love. I know this is one of the shorter C10 vlogs that I've done. If you haven't checked out the C10 playlist, check that out. And I also want to give Clay a big shout out because he came through and brought us some drop spindles. That's definitely going to come in handy when we go to do our disc brake conversions on the front. So give Clay a follow on Instagram, show him some love too. He probably has one of the coolest C10s that I've seen. It's got a Cummins diesel swap in it. We will definitely get a video of his truck. You want to see his truck, don't you, bud?
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and I will see you guys in the next video.